Hello friends, Imtiaz here. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly find your friends' birthdays on Facebook. So let's dive in. First open Facebook on your phone or desktop. I'm using the desktop version for this demo. Next, go to the home feed and head to the left hand side menu and click on birthdays. Once you're in the birthday section, you'll find all the friends' birthdays are listed there. Now you'll see a list of all of your friends who have birthdays coming up, including today's and upcoming birthdays. And that's it. Quick and easy way to never miss a friend's birthdays again. Don't forget to send them a birthday wish. Thanks for watching. And hit that subscribe button for more quick tips.